we are going to present the installation of the FlexKlearGlass on iPad. First, please take a look at the contents. You will have a screen protector with an alignment sticker, a squeegee card, a dust remove sticker, an alcohol pad, and a cloth. First, wipe your screen with included alcohol pad. And use your microfiber cloth to clean the screen. Remove any of the remaining dust with the dust remove sticker. Line up the opening of the screen protector with key features of the device, such as the home button and the receiver. Once you are satisfied with the alignment you created, firmly attach the alignment to the device. Failure to firmly attach it can result in the sticker coming off during installation. Lift the screen protector while holding the end tag and remove the bottom film. Use the squeegee card slowly to push out the air bubble. Next, remove the top film. Finally, clean your screen. Make sure there isn't any air bubble left. And that's it.